Hi, I'm Katherine and I'm going to show you how to cook a stew on an open fire. You're going to need to prepare the outside of your pan to protect it, and you're also going to have to build up a fire so that it's hot enough to actually cook the stew. Pop water in your Dixie with the lid on to let it boil. You only want to put about through a third in just to get the water going, and then top it up when the veg go in. Well, this is cooking on our open fires. Okay.
Open fire. There's this thing called a lava knife. You dip a knife in lava.
You need to boil any veggies first. Here we've got onions and carrots. Once they're in, you reposition the pan into the middle, making sure that it's bubbling before you add the potatoes. Remember to put the lid on each time so that the actual heat can heat up. Once the veggies are kind of cooked, you can add the meat. Here we've got beef mince, and that will go in and you can give it a stir and mix it up. Once the meat is in, you can then add any gravy. We've got oxos here, a little bit of tomato puree will be added too, and that just sits on the top of the fire and simmers away. Remember, keeping that lid on at all times. Remember, every so often you have to take the lid off and give it a good stir so that everything in the bottom isn't sticking and doesn't burn. Leave your stew on the fire for a good 45 minutes to up to an hour, stirring in between before it's ready for serving. You're looking for all those veggies to be nice and soft and the meat to be cooked through. And that's how you make a stew on an open fire, so give it a go. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.